Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's boy Sam from Art of Trading here, and today we have got some breaking news about NAKD, right? And as you can see right in front of me, we have the Sea World Orcas, we have the Whale Gang, you have Katina, you have Tillicum, you have loads of different whales. And today we have a new whale entering into this stock. And we're going to talk about that very shortly. A new 5% shareholder with the NAKD. Honestly, I'm stoked. And the price action of NAKD has really rocketed. It's currently up by 12%. And it's looking to be very bullish in tomorrow's market. So, you know, I'm stoked, honestly. It's so nice to see some positive action, some positive press about NAKD again. And honestly, you know, this stock is always delivering for me right now. So, you know, thank you all so much for all the support on this channel. It's absolutely amazing. And, you know, the fact that we've reached 1,000 subscribers is just absolutely crazy. And I can't thank you enough. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say I'm in no way, shape or form a financial advisor, and please take anything I say with a pinch of salt. I'm simply a university student studying business and management, and that is all. Stocks are battlefields. Be sure to do your own research, your own due diligence before entering into the battlefield. I can only scout the battlefield for you, however, I cannot fight the battle for you. With that being said, let's move on. Before we get into this amazing news, what I want to do is I want to do a quick graphical analysis of NAKD and what we have seen these past couple of days. So, as you all know, NAKD has been heavily manipulated. Hedge funders have been smashing this down, mainly Citadel. Gotta admit, Citadel are in the dark pool very heavily, so I'm assuming they are probably one of the biggest problems with this stock right now. But we see that this stock keeps getting pounded, but we keep buying, which is basically keeping us at this very stable, mellow point. They keep asking, like they keep putting up these ask walls, so they are stopping us from moving up to the next tier almost of the pricing. So, you know, what we're sort of seeing, as you can see here, is that we're seeing a lot of, well, we saw a lot of overselling today, actually. We saw a fair bit of overselling. However, at near the end, you sort of see us hitting this upper band. And what happens when you hit the upper band is that shows that it's starting to be more bought, which is good news. And then obviously, as soon as this news broke out, we see this massive spike in the pre-market. And we just see some amazing buy-in action, which is amazing, honestly. Like, I'm over the moon currently. Like, this is insane. This is using the BOLL sort of sort of analysis system. And if we look at the exponential moving average, which is the best moving average for short-term analysis, you could sort of see we're sort of seeing like it hitting the top bracket of this estimated move or exponential moving average, right? And we are currently stayed in that top bracket, so we're seeing some nice action on the price, and you know, it's constantly going up in value, which is very good news. And obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. You can probably tell by my analysis, I'm more of a business student. I can understand a good business when I see one, but you know, this is my take on the analysis. And you know, if you have any tips for me in the comments, please do leave them, because I'm always here to learn just as much as you lot are. So, you know, I'm all ears when it comes to learning. But we are seeing a lot of volume as well. This is shown in this moving average volume. You can sort of see it. There's a lot of volume actually in the post market, which is very good news. As soon as this news broke out, you just see this massive amount of volume come in, which, you know, not many people actually have access to the post market and pre-market. So the fact that people are able to like put in these trades at such a high volume shows that there is a lot of demand for NAKD right now, and that is another reason why I think NAKD is going to be very bullish tomorrow, dependent on where the hedge funders continue pounding this stock. But I can see, like, I don't think that's going to happen, and that may be a bold prediction, but you know, there's such a big catalyst with this 5% shareholding that I can't see the hedge funders being able to even compete with the amount of volume that's going to come in the stock, right? So, you know, it's going to be very interesting to see. This whole stock is going to depend on volume. So, you know, always do your own due diligence, always do your own research, but this is my analysis, this is my take on it, and, you know, take whatever I say with a pinch of salt, do what you have to do. But yeah, we'll move on to the breaking news. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, the rumors are actually true. Alt Global Holdings has just announced that they are now 5% shareholders within NAKD. They own 41,141,670 shares at a market value of $31,127,788. Amazing news. And their actual entry price was 75 cents. And as we all know, NAKD has been as low as 60 cents. So this shows that this is a bullish stock. This whale has invested. They've bulk purchased at a higher price. So they can see the potential within NAKD and what it should actually be trading for, especially with this $270 million worth of capital and zero debt, which I have been stressing in all of my videos because that is amazing news. And if they keep progressing with that, keep developing their e-commerce strategy, this is going to only go up in value. And you know, this is why I'm holding at the moment, because I can see it as a long-term investment. Even if this squeeze never happens, which I'm sure it will at some point, but even if it doesn't happen, what I am doing is I am holding this as a long-term investment because I can see the potential within the company. I'm a business and management student. I can see the business strategy and it is strong right now. So, you know, this is amazing news. Alt Global Holdings, they are a whale. They would not put in money to this company if they didn't see potential. Their whole point is to make money, not lose it. So they see the potential, and these are the best financial brains in the industry. So you have to bear that in mind. And yeah, I mean, you do what's best for your financial position. You do what's best for you. But I'm definitely going to be loading up more NAKD. I'm not sure straight away. Probably straight away. Let's do it straight away, actually. Once the market opens, we will load up on NAKD. I'll probably put in another £100 or something. Or, I don't know, like $120. That is something. It works out something like that. And yeah, we'll load the boat and keep this rocking and rolling. So, with that being said, this was just a really quick video to just sort of break the news because, you know, this is absolutely insane news. And honestly, NAKD as a whole right now is in a very, very bullish trend and I'm here for it. So with that being said, thank you for watching. This is me, boy, Sam from Mile Train. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you next video on the channel. Take care, everyone.